Today I'm going to make pattern 5555 from Simplicity. What's really fun about this pattern is there are 4 different ways you can wear this shirt. So I'm going to use a stretch fabric, which is what it calls for, and then I believe it's only 2 pieces for the pattern, so that's really easy. And then depending on the type of knit you're going to use, you may not even have to hem the edges, making this really easy and really fast. So I'm gonna make that today with this fun fabric, obviously in honor of Valentine's Day. So it does have stretch to it. I don't know if it's going to work because of how thick it is, and it only stretches in one way, not the other way, but I figured it's worth a shot because this would be so fun to wear this weekend. Let's get started. Next, I laid down the bodice top and the sides, cut out the sides, and then realized that the top was laid down incorrectly. It needed to be laying the correct way with the stretch, so that way when I would put the top on, I could tie it. So I had to unpin and then repin and just spend a lot of time pinning. Pin, pin, pin. Then it was time to get cutting. So I cut out the first part of the bodice and then the second half, and then realized that my scissors were pretty dull. So cutting this out was not an easy task, but I did it. I made it, getting the faux fur all over the floor, but all of that is part of the fun. My pieces are cut out, got the top, got the side pieces down here, and now it's time to sew.